Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a members-only area on your Wix website step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to give special access to exclusive content, whether that's for your club, customer community, or private resources. So if you've ever wondered how to add that members-only magic to your site, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is enable the members area feature on your Wix site. Head over to your Wix dashboard and make sure you're working on the site you want to update. Little tip, if you manage multiple sites, double check you're in the right one. Now find the Apps menu, usually on the left sidebar, then choose Add Apps, or it might say App Market. This is like opening up Wix's toolbox where you can add extra features to your site. Type Members Area in the search bar, and when it shows up, click Add to Site. No need to worry about coding or complex setup, this app automates quite a bit for you. After you've added the Members Area, Wix does something pretty slick. It automatically creates a sign up and login page, along with a My Account page for your users. That means your visitors now have a way to register and access their private profiles almost instantly. It's a huge time saver. Imagine trying to build those forms and permissions manually. Next, we need to control who can actually see your members-only content. Here, how to lock down access. Go to your home page in the Wix editor and look for three dots. Those usually appear near the page name or on the right side of the page list. Click those and you'll find an option called Permissions. Select Members Only from the list. What this does is switch the visibility settings so only logged-in members can see the page. So if, for example, you have a resources page just for your club members, this ensures only those who have signed up can view it. If you get stuck here, just remember, permissions is where you set who gets through the door. Now let's fine-tune our sign-up and login experience. Navigate to the Pages section and locate the sign-up page. Select Custom. This lets you personalize the registration form to fit your brand or information needs. Click Add to Site to confirm. Do the same for the login page. Pick Custom Form, add it, and you're good to go. Customizing these forms can be really helpful. For example, if you want members to enter their club membership number or agree to a special policy, you can add those fields here. If you're new to editing forms, don't worry, Wix makes it pretty visual and intuitive. After sorting out your forms, double-check permissions again just to be safe. Head back to your home page, click those three dots, and make sure Members Only is still selected in permissions. Sometimes making changes to forms or pages can reset these settings, so it never hurts to have one last look. Once everything is set up, it's time to go live. Hit the Publish button in the upper right corner of your editor. Publishing pushes all these changes to your live website so your members can start signing up and accessing content. I recommend doing a quick test. Open your site in an incognito window, try to sign up as a new member, and make sure your protected pages are really locked down. This test run can save you from headaches later. And that's it, you've now built a members-only area on your Wix site. Your community or clients can join, log in, and enjoy exclusive content just for them, all with a few straightforward steps. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more website tips and tutorials like this. Happy building, and I'll see you in the next video.